Market regulator SEBI has submitted its status report of the Adani probe in the Supreme Court. 22 findings of the investigation are final and 2 are interim as it awaits for information from overseas authorities. Ashmit Kumar is here with more on the SEBI's report. Ashmit?
Well, in keeping with the Supreme Court prescribed deadline, the market regulator SEBI has submitted a 17-page affidavit, a status report, to explain how the investigations have progressed into the Adani-Hindenburg saga. Now, as far as the investigations are concerned, SEBI clarifies that there were 24 cases that were being investigated. Of the 24, 22 investigations have been finalized. There are 2, however, which are at an interim stage. SEBI explains as a part of its affidavit that these 2 are at an interim stage because information was sought from overseas regulators, from overseas jurisdictions. There are many tax havens involved, and therefore that is the reason for the delay. That's the reason that these investigations are at an interim stage. Further, SEBI explains as a part of its affidavit that it has gone into very many alleged violations. So whether that's transactions that were red flagged by Hindenburg, whether that's insider trading norms, whether that's securities contract law violations, takeover code violations, insider trading norms, all of these aspects were gone into. There are 2 aspects on which the investigations are at an interim stage. Number 1 is the Securities Contract Act violations, and number 2, the trading that was seen as in Adani scripts pre and post the Hindenburg report. So all of this has been given out in clear terms to the apex court. What has not been clarified, however, is what the substance of those investigations were, what the findings were, and whether there is action that will be taken by the market regulator. All that SEBI says is that it will proceed in accordance with law, basis the findings and the takeaways from the investigation. No more details falling from the 17-page affidavit. The hearing, we understand, in this case will be on August 29th. That's Tuesday of next week.
All right, so we'll know more next week. Thank you so much for those details, Ashmit. Now,